What's up, guys? Got no time to play. Welcome back to FOSS Institute. And stop saying like I'm smoking weed, because on my previous video I was not smoking weed. I don't smoke weed. I don't drink alcohol. But what I deal about, I deal with recording music. That's what I do. Recording music. So for this one, guys, I just want to show you how to record on Mixpad using autotune. So okay, let's get to it. This is one of the few tricks I usually do, because I want my vocals to have autotune when I'm already mastering it. Then I just add a second autotune. Just go to your FX and go to add effect. You go to VXT effects, then you go to G snap. Go to G snap, leave this on 100, take this, put it there on 100. Come here, you select depending on the beat you'll be using. So the beat that I wanted to use is C minor. Click OK. Then the beat I will be using is C minor. Then I'll start recording just like that. So what I usually do, sometimes I just come to the equalizer, come here, because I know I really love boosting my vocals a little bit. Then I come here, then I come just here, just drag this a little bit on top, just like that. I don't do much, just leave it like that. Then I just come around this area, then you can just drop it like that. This is what I want to do, just like that. So let's get it. Then we just start recording. You can click here, then to start sensing your microphone. There, now it's sensing my microphone. Then you come here, then you can start recording. Just make sure around here you select your microphone. As I said on one of my videos, on my upcoming video, I did mention the mic I'm using is around like $50 like $40, and the microphone I'm using is microphone UD90 AFX 900FX. Yeah, then you just select it. Just make sure like you do select it, then you come here, then you start recording. Tell your nigga I'm the one of the best. Please stop playing with me. Keep it the real. Tell your niggas not fucking with. Sorry for that. I don't want to swear. Sorry again. I just don't want to swear on this one. Okay. My laptop is slow again. I click lock by mistake. Just move this backwards. Oh my god, I made that drain thing, which means it will record and it will step around this area, but it's fine. Let's get it. Tell your nigga I'm the one that they hate, but I will keep it no real. Keep it no real, please don't ever play like that. I understand the pain, please, but I keep it real. Fully focused, please, I get it call. Tell your nigga, tell I'm the boy. We're gonna move straight to the sky. Oh. Then after that, it stop. It stop. I don't know why it's stopping like that. Let's go to the back. Let's click that one. Let's just see what we did. My laptop is very slow, by the way. Then guys, after this, it will be recorded with an autotune. Then what you will do, you just come to your autotune, then you remove it, then you start afresh. That's why sometimes you just see me sometimes starting with an EQ or starting with a deesser, because like autotune is already there sometimes, and I just start working around the vocals. Tell your nigga I'm the one that they hate, but I will keep it no real. Keep it no real, please don't ever play like that. I understand the pain, please, but I keep it real. Fully focused, please, I get it call. Tell your nigga, tell I'm the boy. We're gonna move straight to the sky. Oh my god, playing with some melodies. So guys, that's how you record using autotune. Then you just come to your FX, then you just remove those again. Then you just start again working on your vocals. You can still add to autotune just to make your autotune to sound strong. So guys, that's the trick that you should be using on Mixpad if you want your autotune to sound very strong. Thank you so much guys for viewing this one. Definitely I will see you on the next one. Feel blessed. Bye.